Sana güzel bir mama alacağım Minoş.
Can I get the ha ha?
I get a dog.
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh!
Okay, alright.
Hey!
Ben, support! Let's sing a song, yeah?
You want food? You got some right here.
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him. Oh my god!
Ma'am. Oh my. What are you doing?
Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god! All of you on one hand. My god!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
No.
Bitch.
There he is. Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Come on.
Penelope Panini! You come here right now!
Hey, 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 hey.
I'll give you a piece!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Consigo molho aqui.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Kane, let's go.
Go on. Say.
Oh my god.
Meow, 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 meow.
It's you!
Yeah. That's...
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Ollie, what are you doing?
Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Muxie.
Really careful, not yet. Roger.
Stop, you're not gonna like it.
Don't do that.
I got you something.
this one. She's in there again.
Princess!
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Hello?
Whoa.
In the store.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Hey!
You silly kitty. I can't put him back yet. Oh. You stop it. Get down. Get down.
Can you just back up, bro?